How to make Keto Creamy Cajun Chicken. The ingredients: 20-ounce cauliflower, riced, half medium red onion, 1/4 cup olive oil, divided, 20-ounce boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 2 teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon dried oregano, half teaspoon dried thyme, half teaspoon cayenne pepper, salt and pepper to taste, 200-gram canned diced tomatoes, 1 cup heavy whipping cream, 1 teaspoon sea salt, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all of the ingredients. Dice the chicken into bite-sized pieces. 2. In a food processor, rice the cauliflower. 3. On a cutting board, dice the onion. 4. In a frying pan over medium heat, add the olive oil and diced onion. Sautee for 3 to 4 minutes. 5. Add the diced chicken pieces. Cook this until all of the pieces are brown, about 6 to 9 minutes. 6. Add in the paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, oregano, thyme, cayenne pepper, salt, and pepper. Add in the canned diced tomatoes. Let this cook for about 6 to 9 minutes covered. 7. Stir in the heavy whipping cream. Let it cook for 5 minutes or until the chicken becomes thick. 8. In a frying pan over medium heat, add olive oil and the riced cauliflower. Cook for about 5 to 8 minutes. Stir in fresh parsley and salt. 9. Serve the cauliflower rice under the creamy Cajun chicken. Enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 4 servings of Keto Creamy Cajun Chicken. Each serving comes out to be 578 calories, 48.7 grams fat, 6.9 grams net carbs, and 29.2 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet made up for you, click on the link in the description.